Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change an Audi A3 headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a T25 Torx bit. Safety is paramount, so ensure the engine is off and cool. We will then locate the headlight unit and identify the specific bulb type you need to replace, ensuring you have the correct new bulb on hand for a smooth process. Now, let's get to accessing the headlight unit. Begin by opening your car's hood and locating the two T25 Torx screws positioned on top of the headlight assembly. Use your Torx bit to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward. This will release it from its mounting points, allowing you to access the rear. Finally, disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its release tab. With the headlight unit free, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the specific bulb holder for the faulty light and twist it counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from the housing. Carefully pull out the old bulb, taking care not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the holder, ensuring it is seated correctly, then twist clockwise to lock it back into place. To finish up, reconnect the main electrical connector to the headlight unit, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its original housing, aligning it properly. Reinsert and tighten the two T25 Torx screws to secure the unit. Finally, turn on your car's lights to test the new bulb and confirm it's working correctly. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.